experiments. When did you guys came up here? Hello, my name is Shreyan Gajala. I'm here to do a science experiment. Welcome back to Little Explorers, I guess. So today we have here some salt, sugar, vinegar, baking soda, a container in case it overflows, 4 glasses, a water, a spoon, and obviously 8 grapes. You can do 4 grapes, I guess. But I'm going with 8 grapes. I want it to be cool. Today we're going to do sink and float experiment. First of all, obviously, if it is sink and float, we need water. So let's start with the water. You must have a supervision. Even if you're an expert, you must have a supervision. Let's see if this is a good measurement. Yep, exact good measurement. Let's see. Yep, good. Let's see. Yep, good. All have equal measurement. First of all, let's meet the hypers, or the fans that I'm going to use. Or these. So, looks like we're going to add this one, sugar. And this one, salt. And this one is just empty glass. And this is going to be very fun. Trust me. Baking soda. And sooner, coming up, it's going to be incredible. Just wait until the end. Watch until the end. First, we're going to do sugar for 5 tablespoons. Let me see if I can do it. 5 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon. A 2nd tablespoon. 3rd tablespoon. 4th tablespoon. And 5th tablespoon. How many tablespoons? 5 tablespoons. I have long nails. So this. We're going to mix this. Stir it up. We're going to dissolve this sugar into the water. It completely. Ooh, wow. Next, salt. I don't know what he's looking at me because I might do a mistake. Okay, we're gonna add 5 tablespoons for this glass salt. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Come on, salt, get out of there. I have another helping hand. There we go. 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, and last but not least, 5 tablespoons. Next, switch, stir this up. We're going to dissolve this quickly. What was that ghost? I'm just imagining. There we go. Now, a specially great ingredient, the visible one. Let's 5 disposable spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! It's just the water. Maybe there's a ghost hiding it. Now, the tablespoons for baking soda. This is going to be hard. Trust me. 1, 2. Again. Mixing it. So now it's time to check if it is sink or float. I love floating. 2 grapes. You can do 1 grape if you want. 1 grape. I would have a 2nd grape. Here we go. It floats. Wow, isn't it cool? If you add grape into the sugar water, well, we add the sugar into the water. Well, so now water has more density than the grape. That's why grapes are floating. 2 grapes. Let's see if it works in the salt water. Wow, it floats! This is so cool! I've never seen this before. Wow. You know what? The same reason as the sugar water. I'm going to repeat it again. Because, you know why the grape is floating? Because now water has more density. Instead of sugar, they added salt into the water. Now water has more density than the grape. That's why the grape is floating again. 2 grapes again. Let's see for the regular water. Actually, this is regular water. I just trying to imagine there's actually an ingredient. Because all these have ingredients except this. Let's see. Wow! I never knew that. Finally sunk. Exactly. Because grapes has more density than the water. That's why grapes sink. So, this is going to be the coolest part. Well, we're going to put this 2 grapes in the water. Look, it sank. But we forgot one beautiful and lasting and horrible ingredient. Is the vinegar. Now, let's see if it still sinks or floats. Comment that below. So we will have vinegar. Well, we're going to put this container underneath. Because maybe if it explodes or something magic or rolling happens or whatever. Let's see. We have this. This is going to be dangerous. So, we're quite scared. That's why supervision is important. If you might get scared. Great. If you have allergic to this, this is how much you should put. I don't know exact measurement, but yeah. Let's put it in. Well, this much didn't work. Oh, I got it on my finger. Now we're going to use this, dude, and see if we put it a little bit. Oh. Let's add a little bit. Looks like something magical happened. happened. I want to take it out, okay? So you guys... Now I can explain you why it's floating. Well, this is a magical different. So, if we put baking soda with the vinegar together, if you put it in the water, actually, well, this is all about chemical reaction. This is a carbon dioxide gas bubble. It holds the grapes up. Well, the carbon dioxide gas bubble forms so the grapes can float. And whoa. This is a quiz. Look all of these except this because this one sank. Look. This is very interesting. Look at all these things. This one, is it moving? Comment below. Is this one moving? Also comment below. Is this one moving? Yeah. No, let's just say that and comment below. Well, these, if you say yes, you are right. If you see the difference, you're right. These are actually dancing. See, while you were examining the whole thing, you got distracted of these because they're dancing grapes. Let's say they move up and down like I believe that I'm flying, and they land back. They fly again, like a migration. Now, what is the special ingredient? Now, I'm going to take this special ingredient out. Look, I took out the special ingredient. Let's say. Thank you for watching the Sink and Flow experiment video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. But one more information I want to tell you about this. Next week, we're going to do another science experiment. It's going to be super cool. Maybe like this one. Well, we're going to do the volcano experiment. Bye, guys.